Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into one of the most crucial roles in the automotive industry, the Automotive Service Advisor. Whether you're considering a career in this field or just curious about what it entails, this video is for you. Let's get started. So who is a service advisor? In effect, it's the most important role in the entire service center because the service advisor is the bridge between customers and the service team. They ensure that customers' concerns are heard, documented, and addressed by the technicians. Let's break down the day-to-day responsibilities of a service advisor. Number 1, reception and greeting. It all starts with a warm welcome. First impressions matter, and as a service advisor, you're the face of the service center. Start with a friendly greeting and verify the customer's appointment. It's essential to make the customer feel welcome and comfortable. Confirming the appointment helps streamline the process and ensures that you're prepared for their visit. Number 2, initial vehicle walkaround. Inspect the vehicle's exterior and note any visible issues. This step is crucial because it helps identify any pre-existing damage and sets a baseline for the vehicle's condition. Also, check the car's service history to understand its maintenance background. This can provide valuable insights into potential recurring issues and helps in making informed recommendations. Number 3, listening to customer concerns. Have the customer describe the issues they're experiencing. Encourage them to be as detailed as possible. This information is vital for accurately diagnosing the problem and ensuring that no concerns are overlooked. Number 4, technical inquiry. Ask specific questions to get a better understanding of the problem. For example, inquire about when the issue occurs, any unusual noises, or changes in vehicle performance. This helps narrow down the potential causes and aids the technicians in their diagnosis. Number 5, creating the repair order document all the information in the system and generate a repair order. Ensure that every detail the customer mentioned is included. A well-documented repair order is critical for effective communication with the technicians and helps avoid any misunderstandings. Number 6, estimation and approval. Provide the customer with an estimate and get their approval to proceed. Transparency is key here. Explain the costs involved, the time required for the repairs, and any additional recommendations. Ensure the customer understands and agrees to the work before moving forward. Always get the customer's approval in writing, either by message or email, to confirm everything about the approved job and the total amount. Number 7, handover to technicians. Brief the technicians on the repair order and ensure clear communication. Highlight the customer's main concerns and any specific details they provided. Effective communication between service advisors and technicians is crucial for a successful and efficient repair process. Skills and qualifications. To be successful in this role, certain skills and qualifications are essential. Excellent communication and customer service skills are a must. Technical knowledge helps in understanding and explaining vehicle issues. Organizational skills ensure you keep track of all repair orders. And finally, certifications and ongoing training are crucial to stay updated in this ever-evolving field. Building strong customer relationships is key. Effective communication techniques like active listening and empathy can go a long way. And when handling complaints, stay professional and patient. Work environment. A service advisor typically works in a dealership or service center. You'll interact with various departments like parts, sales, and of course, the technicians. Balancing a fast-paced environment with customer satisfaction can be challenging but rewarding. Tools and technology. Service advisors use various tools and technology, from CRM systems to diagnostic tools. Staying updated with the latest automotive technology is essential. Challenges and solutions. Like any job, being a service advisor comes with its challenges. Common issues include handling difficult customers and managing high workloads. But with good communication, organization, and a positive attitude, these challenges can be overcome. Career path and growth opportunities. There are plenty of growth opportunities in this field. You can advance to roles like reception manager, service manager, parts manager, or even higher management positions within the automotive industry. In conclusion, the role of a service advisor is both challenging and rewarding. It's perfect for those who love cars and enjoy helping people. If you're considering a career in this field, I hope this video has given you some valuable insights. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more content on the automotive industry. See you in the next video.